Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Klarna for buy now, pay later with no interest. So first, download and open the Klarna app or you can go to klarna.com. Search for the store where you want to shop and tap shop and browse the store from inside Klarna. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Klarna will offer the option to pay in 4 installments. Choose this option to avoid interest. You'll only pay the first installment today. Enter your card details and confirm. Klarna will automatically charge the remaining payments every 2 weeks. Keep your notifications on so you don't miss payment reminders. You can also track each payment in the Klarna dashboard and even reschedule them if needed. Make sure that your bank card has enough funds and check your eligibility before your purchase. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.